Angel,
Yes.
flowers for you.
Oy! Okay to give, ah. Thank you, ha. You're so sweet talaga. Saan naman galing to?
Well, remember I told you about my trip down south? I actually went to a nature resort in Laguna.
Nature resort. That's news to my ears. You're full of surprises talaga.
Well, good surprises, I hope. And we have a lot in store for them this week. More than just the usual fare, so be ready for our surprises.
Kumusta mga kababayan? This is Philippine Realty TV.
Nothing can quite top the sound of silence, the gentle music that nature renders. And if you too enjoy tranquility amidst the greenery, then it's about time you learned of a place that they've aptly dubbed a nature resort. A private community that presents itself as the ideal backdrop for a leisurely stroll. Welcome to MonteLago Nature Estates. All set to become Southern Laguna's most exclusive hometown address, MonteLago Nature Estates unites the simplicity of suburban living and the convenience of a modern lifestyle. While tucked away in a quiet corner in San Pablo, is still in close proximity to commercial shops, a school, and a chapel. After all, this nature-themed estate is but 10 minutes away from the city. Sa MonteLago, you are far from an isolated life. Yet the leisurely ambiance of this 102-hectare hometown community provides for an easygoing small-town lifestyle. With its wide-open spaces and tree-lined avenues, MonteLago readily gives off the impression of a slow and unhurried pace. Fresh air, lush landscapes, a garden-like entrance, and generous vistas of Mount San Cristobal, Banahaw, and Makiling. Truly, MonteLago is a place where the entire family can frolic amidst the foliage. And of course, being a land co-development, MonteLago boasts of a resort-like atmosphere. Una na dito ang clubhouse, which is structured in such a way that it remains cool and breezy anytime. With fountains, gardens, a free-form pool, and sports courts, the clubhouse really makes for an extraordinary, active lifestyle hub.
Landco's vision in hometown communities is to create first-class subdivisions in key cities and municipalities in the provinces. So in Southern Laguna, we're creating this subdivision called MonteLago to cater to the local San Pabloeños and the nearby townmates who want to have a resident where they could all be proud of.
The city itself became the company's inspiration, Landco's inspiration. Well, San Pablo, for one, is already a city of 7 lakes. And this magnificent 102 hectare is surrounded by 3 magnificent mountains. Thus the name MonteLago, mountain and lake.
And to complete the lineup of the resort-like amenities, there are not just 1, not 2, but 6 nature-inspired parks. A pond, a playground, not to mention numerous picnic areas will be the highlight of fun and amusement in MonteLago. Aside from its resort-like ambiance, another thing that sets MonteLago apart from other hometown communities is its promise of harmony. Projecting an overall Southern Californian theme, MonteLago's signature homes, Amanda, Bianca, and Carlota, are outfitted with pastel-colored stucco walls, large windows, and concrete tile roofs. Experience the luxury of owning a Class A home without the hassle. MonteLago consists of 4 enclaves: Arabella, Portico, Palmita, and Aldara, with each enclave branded by its own distinct character. Pero ang hindi nawawala, ang look of elegance and exclusivity.
We envision MonteLago to be an interactive community. So in this case, you will see the neighbors knowing each other. You will see children playing around in the parks and in the streets. That's because we have a 3-level security system here. So you have your perimeter fence, you have your entrance gate, and you have your roving security. So it's a very safe and prestigious community for this particular province.
Doubting the stamp of exclusivity, MonteLago is determined to become the premier Blue Label community this side of Laguna. Spacious yet intimate, MonteLago Nature Estates admonishes its residents to stop and commune with nature. Walking along its charming pathways and trellised walkways, residents will never feel the need to be in a hurry again. Philippine Realty TV would like to thank Manila Bulletin, Business Mirror, and the following partners.